Hello, welcome to your Information City channel. Designers never fail to amaze us. Just when you think you can no longer be surprised by anything in this world, they show you something brilliant and beautiful and restore your faith in creativity. Here are 17 clever and minimalistic logos that require no words to describe. Cinema Cafe, Girl Scouts, a logo for a dog food shop, the Hope for African Children Initiative, for the Worldwide Short Film Festival, for the Wine Forest chain of stores, for a dog show, the World Wine Fest, Koldner Zoo, Songcake website, for a barber shop, for a sushi bar, for a women's literary prize, for the Jurassic Wine Shop, for a web design studio, for the Magic Coffee Shop, Brazilian Institute for Oriental Studies. We will share new videos every day. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.